Welcome to Taher Brothers, trader and service provider of metallic gaskets, automotive fasteners, and fittings. The company was established in 2005 at Bengaluru. Effective business operations and huge distribution network make us different from others. Multiple payment options, market-leading prices, and timely delivery of consignment are the factors that help us to stay ahead of our competitors. We offer a wide assortment of metallic gaskets, GI pipes, and hydraulic pipe clamps. Our hydraulic hoses, pneumatic fittings, and automotive fasteners are widely appreciated in the market. Hand tools, roller bearings, and industrial paints offered by us are available at market-leading prices. Trolley wheels, scaffolding materials, and brass hinges are well known for their durability. We have gained tremendous expertise in providing filter papers, industrial safety products, and fabrication services. Our clients can avail from us an exquisite range of scaffolding material for construction and metallic gaskets for pharmaceutical industry that are cost-effective. To get more information, log on at www.taherbrothers.com.